sparrow. Hey there, I'm the humble sparrow, flitting about in gardens and parks, chirping melodies to brighten your day. Eagle. Greetings, I am the majestic eagle, soaring high in the sky, symbolizing freedom. Robin. Hello, I'm the cheerful robin, with my red breast and sweet song, bringing joy to gardens and woodlands. Owl. Hoot, I am the wise owl, dwelling in the darkness of the night, observing all with my keen eyes and silent flight. Hawk. Salutations, I am the fierce hawk, with sharp eyes and swift wings, ruling the skies as a master hunter. Pigeon. Hello, I'm the adaptable pigeon, found in cities around the world, with my iridescent feathers and cooing calls, living alongside humans for centuries. Flamingo. Greetings, I am the elegant flamingo, with my graceful neck and vibrant plumage, dancing on the shores of exotic lands. Toucan. Hey, I'm the colorful toucan, with my vibrant beak and tropical flair, adding a splash of brightness to the rainforests. Hummingbird. Hello, I'm the tiny hummingbird, with my iridescent feathers and rapid wings, sipping nectar from flowers with delicate grace. Pelican. Hi there, I am the laid-back pelican, gliding over coastal waters with my large pouch, ready to scoop up fish for a meal. Parrot. Hello, I'm the talkative parrot, with my bright feathers and mimicry skills, entertaining with my playful chatter. Seagull. Greetings, I am the coastal seagull, with my sharp eyes and scavenging habits, soaring over beaches and harbors in search of snacks. Falcon. Salutations, I am the swift falcon, with my sleek form and unmatched speed, diving from great heights to capture prey. Crow. Caw, I am the clever crow, with my jet black feathers and cunning intellect, thriving in both urban and rural landscapes. Woodpecker. Hey there, I'm the industrious woodpecker, with my sturdy beak and rhythmic drumming, carving out homes in tree trunks and branches. Blue jay. Hey, I'm the vibrant blue jay, with my striking blue plumage and raucous calls, bringing color and energy to the forests. Cardinal. Greetings, I am the regal cardinal, with my brilliant red feathers and melodious song, symbolizing love and vitality in the gardens. Swan. Hello, I'm the graceful swan, gliding serenely on tranquil waters, with my elegant neck and pure white feathers, embodying beauty and grace. Duck. Hi there, I'm the sociable duck, paddling through ponds and lakes with my webbed feet, quacking cheerfully as I forage for food. Peacock. Salutations, I am the majestic peacock, with my extravagant tail feathers and iridescent plumage, captivating all with my dazzling display. Albatross. Greetings, I am the wandering albatross, with my immense wingspan and ability to glide for miles over ocean waves, symbolizing freedom and endurance. Magpie. Hey, I'm the curious magpie, with my black and white plumage and penchant for collecting shiny objects, bringing a touch of mischief to the countryside. Pigeon. Hello, I'm the adaptable pigeon, found in cities around the world, with my iridescent feathers and cooing calls, living alongside humans for centuries.